is Mike.
My name is Mark.
My name is Graham.
And this is Payphone by Maro0on. Hope you like it. Alright, switch.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, though it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And you know that I'm not doing it. All of our weekends burned out. I've wasted my nights. You turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we couldn't look, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the days gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of dreams. All those stupid loves of how we say. Maybe turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. Leave your mind on tomorrow, but you just gave it away. You can expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges were held. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we couldn't love, but even the sun set in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. All those stupid loves of how we sin. Now I'm on a payphone.
I'm on the payphone. Yeah,
Yes.
baby. Bye.
Bye.